Welcome. If you're tired of getting notifications from people who don't follow you on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're not alone. With the latest update, it's now easier than ever to filter out unwanted alerts and keep your notifications focused on the people who matter most to you. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable notifications from users who don't follow you, all from your PC. First, open X in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your home feed, look to the left sidebar and find the More icon. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can customize everything from your profile to your privacy preferences. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can control who interacts with you and how. Under Privacy and Safety, find and select Mute and Block. This is the hub for all your muting and blocking options. Within the Mute and Block menu, you'll see an option called Muted Notifications. Click on it to open up your notification filters. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see several checkboxes for different types of notifications you can mute. Look for the option labeled Don't Follow You. Check this box and X will automatically filter out notifications from anyone who doesn't follow your account. That's it. With this setting enabled, you'll only get notifications from people who are already following you, making your experience on X more personal and less cluttered. If you want to fine-tune your notifications even further, you can explore the other options in the Muted Notifications menu, like muting alerts from new accounts or users with unverified emails. Enjoy a quieter, more focused timeline and take back control of your notifications on X. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other guides for more tips on customizing your social media experience.